In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to calculate ages in Google Sheets automatically using a simple formula. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips. First, open your Google Sheet and enter names in one column and birth dates in the next column. Make sure your birth dates are in a proper date format so Google Sheets can recognize them correctly. Now, click on the cell where you want the age to appear. Type the DATEDIF formula using the birth date cell and the today function. Set the last part of the formula to Y so it calculates full years. Press enter and you'll instantly see the correct age. Google Sheets calculates this by finding the difference between the birth date and today, counting only completed years. Now, drag the formula down to apply it to all rows in your list. Each person's age will update automatically based on their birth date. If you want more detail, you can extend the formula to include months as well. This is useful when you need more precise age tracking. And that's it. A quick and accurate way to calculate ages without manual work. If this helped you, give it a like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more quick and practical tutorials.